Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group, and I want to invite you to an online event that I'm having March the 31st and April 1st. And what is it? It is Design Space Diva Days. Yep, I want you to come craft like a diva with me. We're going to hang out. We're going to have some projects to work on. We're going to have contests. We're going to have just a lot of fun interacting with other Cricut Explore owners who want to learn to create and just want to hang out with each other and be inspired by what other people are making. In a smaller the group, instead of being in a giant Facebook group, we're going to bring this down to a much smaller group so that we can all get to know each other a little bit more and hang out and craft with each other for the weekend. You hear people about going away for a crop, and people are always asking me, what is a crop? What is that? A crop is going to go to an event with other like-minded crafters to work on your projects, okay? And since we all live all over the country, instead of us being able to travel and get together, I host these online events. So we can still do that and still get to know each other, and we still get to create together. And I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and everybody loves it. And once you become a diva, you're always a diva, and you want to sign up again every time. I have the same people signing up all the time. They love Diva Days. So let me tell you a little bit about Diva Days. So on Friday night, we do our Diva Pajama Party, and you don't have to wear pajamas, and we don't have to see you on camera, so don't worry about that. But we kick off about 8:30 p.m. Central Time on that Friday night. And what do we do at the pajama party? Well, we talk about the 10 Diva challenges that I give you, which is part of the event. And you have, these are projects or inspiration for projects, I guess I should mention. So sometimes you're not quite sure what you want to make, and you know you want to use your Cricut Explore, but you don't have an idea for a project. So I give you prompts of things that you can make, and they may be a little bit more involved than something just super simple, and it's going to take you a little bit longer to work on these 10 Diva challenges. So instead of having to do those right away, I give you an entire week to work on those, and then you can post your photo of the project that you made in our private Facebook group that we set up for Diva Days, and then we pick winners from everybody who entered, and it's not based on your skill level. It is just based on the fact that you entered the contest, and you can enter one of the challenges. You can enter all 10 of them. It's up to you if you want to do them or not. This is totally optional. Okay, so I announced those on Friday night. Everybody's always excited to see what I came up with. And then we also talk about what's going to go on the crop on Saturday. Now, the crop is an online event where we're going to be in the private Facebook group, and I'll give you there'll be some contests going on for you to enter, and you might make a project, or you might just have to answer a question or whatever, and I have prizes that I give away for that. And we do 2 live project classes. Now, what are live project classes? Live project classes are when you will join me in my classroom and see me on camera like you do now in this video, and you also get to watch me make the project. But you have received, as being a participant in Diva Days, you've received the supply list and the cut files so that you can get prepped and ready to work on the project while you're watching me work on the project. So as you're doing it, you can ask questions, we can hang out, we have fun, everybody loves this. And at the end of the Diva Days online event, you actually end up with 3 projects that you've made. Okay, that's pretty cool. Some of us don't even get a project made in one day, one project made, but we will have all 3 projects done. So Friday night, let me show you what we're going to do this Diva Days. Friday night, we're going to be doing a pop and twist card. So you'll get the design space file for the base for the design for the pop and twist card. So you can make this however you want. But since it's spring, we're going to do a spring theme for this one. And pop and twist is this. And you've probably seen these and you don't know how to make it. And so I'm going to give you the design space file, and the embellishments we're going to put on this card, we're going to use the print and cut feature in Design Space. So you'll get all the information that you need to be able to make this. You'll have it prepped, ready to go on Friday night. And when you join me for the Diva Days party, you're going to get to watch me put this together, and you can put it together. And by the end of the evening, you will have your own Pop and Twist card. So that's on Friday night. Then on Saturday, we'll be having the contest and all the other fun stuff going on. But we also do 2 live project classes, okay? Now these live project classes are usually about 2 hours each, and the first one we're going to be doing is a super trendy project right now, which is doing the mason jar look on canvas and making flowers. And so we're going to be using vinyl to put the jar image onto our canvas. I'm going to talk to you about how do you work with canvas. So you're going to pick up tips on making your own canvas projects. We're going to be using a chalk paint to actually paint our jar, and I'm going to show you how to make 5 different 3-dimensional, you can see they're dimensional, 5-dimensional 3D flowers from the Flower Shop cartridge, okay? And how to make these. And then we're going to be applying everything to our canvas, and then at the end of the class you will have your project made, ready to use as home decor or for you to give as a gift. And you will have picked up a bunch of tips about working with canvas, okay, with your Cricut. So that is project number 1. That'll be on Saturday morning. And then in the afternoon, we have a different project. And the one in the afternoon is going to be making a mini album. Everybody keeps asking me, I want to make a mini album with my Cricut Explore. So we're going to be using the mini albums cartridge, and we will have made a mini album, but I have added all kinds of pops and flips and pockets and all kinds of fun things in the inside of our mini album. And then you will have this, it's going to hold 25 photos, and you can make this any theme that you want, but I'm going to show you how to do this and how to make something super adorable for you to have to keep your photos in, to give as a gift. Maybe these are great for like little birthday albums where you end up with a whole bunch of pictures for a birthday and it's too many for you to make a bunch of scrapbook pages. You want to have a little mini album to put it in. And everybody loves getting these. Grandmas, grandpas, the kids love them. I have a whole basket full of mini albums that I've made that have different events in them that our family's done, and the kids love being able to get that basket out and go through and look at the little mini albums. And it's easier for them to do that than to take all those big scrapbooks and work on them. Anyway, look through those. So here we go. This is our second project for this Diva Days. I hope you will join us. It is only $25 for you to get all 3 of those project classes, and you get the design space files, and of course you get the instructions on how and tips on how to put the projects together. Normally one class is going to be $15 to $25, so you're going to get all 3 classes, and you get contests and a chance to win prizes, and more importantly, you get to meet other Cricut Explore crafters in a smaller environment where we get to know each other a little bit better, and we have a lot of fun, and everybody loves it, and I wanted to invite more people to come join us. So that's why I'm putting the video on my YouTube channel, and also I'm posting it on our Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group. You don't have to be a member of our group to join us, but it would be great if you'd come join us at Let's Learn Cricut Explore. I will post the link to to purchase the Design Space Diva Days for March, and so that's March 31st, 8:30 p.m. Central Time is when that event kicks off, and then on Saturday, April 1st, it's from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and you can come and go as you want, because all 3 of the project classes are going to be recorded classes that we will record live, and then post Diva Days I will actually send you the links to the videos for those 3 classes. So if you happen to miss one because something's going on, you will still get all 3 classes. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you'll come join us for Diva Days, and you'll learn a lot, you'll have a lot of fun, and you'll end up with 3 projects that you will have made in a day, and you're going to be happy with that. And you may even make more stuff. So it's a great way to set aside time for yourself and for you to really use your Cricut Explore. Anyway, hope you guys love this idea, and I hope you'll join me, and I will talk to you later. Be sure and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you learn more about the different classes that I teach, as well as just all the instructional videos that I put out for you guys for the Cricut Explore. And I will talk to you later. Bye.